What's going on, guys? It's Carson Fever back here, window tinter at Vernons Signature Audio. Today we have a gorgeous red Corvette. If y'all know anything about 2008, Megan Fox, that was a good year for her, just like it was for this beautiful Corvette. But today we're going to do our Sentry 15% package on the front two doors. Be laying on top of it. He wants it pretty dark, kind of like his coffee, my women. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to put ceramic 50% on the windshield along with the legal 3% eyebrow. We'll probably knock that windshield out first, give it a little bit of time. Typically it takes the longest, so we like to go ahead and knock those out first. Let's go ahead and get started. Got the windshield done, let's go ahead and move on to the doors now. That concludes our 50% on the front two doors, 50% ceramic whole thing windshield, and 3% legal eyebrow. If y'all decide to go get some tint done, come by Vernons. We'll see you.
You alright?